So let's take a look at how to use this desktop clock alarm clock. So the first thing you're going to notice on the back is there are a lot of buttons. Don't be discouraged, it's actually not that hard to use. So on the left, you're going to notice this little pull tab. You're going to pull it out and it's going to give you access to the battery, which is your backup memory battery. On the left here, you're going to find a time button, and then below it is a 12-hour and 24-hour format button. So if you switch that, you're going to switch it from 12-hour to 24-hour, vice versa. Next one over is volume. So by pressing it, you can adjust the volume level of the clock or the alarm. And this also adjusts the volume, which is the dial here. You could change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit by this button here. By pressing that, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Then moving over, there are 3 alarms. So all alarm programming is going to be the same. So I'll show you one so you can understand how to set them all. Below the alarms, you're going to see you could set it between Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, and Saturday through Sunday on each alarm, or individually set, depending on how you want your alarm set. So starting with the time, you're going to hold time button in for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to set the year. You're going to use the scroll dial to set everything. So it is 2023 currently. So you're going to hit time again to set that. And then you're going to see the time in the corner. So you're going to use that to set it. Hit time again, seconds or minutes. Set this, same setup, press time. So basically that's how you set your time. And then to do the alarm, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to go over to the alarm button. You're going to press and hold it for 3 seconds. And then you're going to use the scroll dial to adjust it. And then you just push the button again to adjust it on the minutes, and then you're done. So to turn each alarm on and off, you'll just press the button once. It will show up, alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, press them again to turn them off. So it's super easy to use. It has a lot of features packed in a nice little package.